Hey guys, welcome back to the channel once again. So in this episode here, I'm going to assemble this, don't beat me up on how I pronounce this word, but I believe it's Automata. It's A-U-T-O-M-A-T-A. And what it means is basically a wooden type mechanism that has a handle on the side that you can crank something and makes a figurine or whatever you want move and become motion. So in this one here, I built a centrifugal pump. I work in the water and sewer industry and have for almost 30 years. So I decided to try and build a centrifugal sewer pump. And so here's the bottom part, the base, the volute, discharge, suction pipe, pipe flanges on it. And then here I left it cut open, kind of a cutaway, so that you can we can get the impeller in there and you can actually see that. So you can see there's quite a few parts here. This is already put together. Here's the main gear. Be a handle off to the side here. It drives this main gear here, and then drives this shaft here that will go up through the pump itself. Got the handle. Got the main, like I said, the main base here. The pump housing here. Pump shaft goes here. Got a motor, made a little motor, and the rotor for the motor. Here's the impeller. Here's the bonnet for the motor, the fan, the inspection plate for the side here. It goes in the side. The coupler. I'm not gonna cut it in half. I'm just going to slide it on there and it'll simulate a coupler here. So we'll get started and I'm going to get this thing assembled and we'll see how it works at the end. All right, first thing we're going to start with is the shaft and the bottom gear here. Now, on the gears, I'm just using just drill some holes. I'll use some small nails to pin it, to keep it from spinning on the shaft. So we want to insert this first in here. All right, guys, so got the center shaft in. Now, I did go ahead and might look a little different here. I did the full assembly, shot the video, and then the center shaft broke on me. So I replaced it with a little bit larger center shaft here. And so now we can proceed on with the assembly of this thing again. So again, here's the bottom base here, the volute, suction elbow, discharge pipe, inspection plate here on the side, and the impeller. So to be able to install this, we're going to have to install the impeller while it's inside here because I'm leaving this a full shaft. So we'll install that next. And like it said, it just goes up under this hole here in the 90. I drilled a hole in that 90. So just slide through there. And then I'm about to stand up and see the hole here. And I did find a wrench actually to fit it. This is a 1/4-inch wrench for these little B-bolts. All right, got that all bolted down, snugged up. Everything's run smooth so far. They put a little bit of paste wax on this shaft a while ago, so just kind of make a little assembly a little easier, and then also keep the friction down. Again, this is the pump assembly here, the pump shaft assembly where it connects to the motor. Just all one piece, and it's just got some pins on the bottom. So it just sets down and just kind of locks in place like that. It just sits there like that. So next we'll install the simulated coupler here. It just slides on here. And like I said, it's not cut. The shaft's not cut, but Just kind of makes appearance of it's coupled together. All right, so install the motor with the rotor. We'll have to put it on the inside and then slide it down on the shafts. One thing I want to do though, I want to drill this hole here all the way through. So I'm going to drill this hole I have here for my set pin all the way through. That way if I have to, I can spin it around, knock it loose, be able to grab the pin and pull it out. There, let's disassemble. Put this in. That pin there's what's going to lock it to the shaft. As you can see, it slides on there fairly easy now. Okay. So I'm just going to hold it down and check. Yep, everything. Things are working smooth again. So we'll put these bolts on here and then we'll finish off the top. All right, we'll get the motor all mounted in there. So I don't have the pin in there yet. And I don't have the pin in the impeller either yet. So we'll do those last after you get everything assembled. Make sure the shaft's in the right spot. So from there, we're going to put on the top fan blade. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and add a nylon washer here just to make sure it holds it up. And then we just got the bonnet, the motor top shroud or bonnet, whatever you want to call it, for the motor itself. I'll probably do something different. This is sets under some pins, but I'm afraid something's gonna lift it up and fall out. We'll do something different there. We'll make sure it all works good. Turn around to the camera so you can see. So, you can see the impeller here turning, coupler, motor, and the fan. So alright guys, there's the working centrifugal pump. I'll crank it this side, you can see the workings of it. And I didn't figure out how I'm going to attach this yet, but here's the cutaway piece that we could actually put back on there if need be to show the full pump. So alright guys, so that was a little something different. I know most probably ain't gonna be building one of these. Quite a bit of work went into this to get it built. A lot of pieces. Most of this probably is built on the drill press. Almost probably 80% was on the drill press, drilling out. All these were drilled. These flanges were used on the drill press with a hole saw and then a Forster bit, the volute. It's a 3-piece construction. Centerpiece is a 4-inch hole saw with the Forster bit to take out the center, and then the top and bottom glued together, and then shaped down to look like the volute. The pump housing here, this bottom part here was again a drill bit, a hole saw, and then a Forster bit to drill it out. From there, again, a couple more pieces here on the drill press. The top again was on the drill press itself, and again another hole saw with the Forster bit. And on the motor, I just put in slats instead of turning. You could turn it on the lathe if you want, but none of this is turned on the lathe. This is all just either on the drill press, or a lot of stuff like the centerpiece here, I just sanded it down to round as good as I can. You could, if you want to get a little more precise, you probably could turn that on the lathe, but I didn't opt to do any of this on the lathe. So again, like I said, almost all of this is done on the drill press. Okay, and then just the belt sander. All right, so guys, appreciate it again. Hope you like it. There's the final product. And we appreciate you watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.